Okay, so we got another great video. As you can see, I'm up in Oklahoma City next to I-35. You can see how it is so loud up here. Got about a 6-hour drive home. I'll just hit home right before I got to go to work. So anyway, I'm having to go these extreme distances to find hogs. And the guy, the landowner up here, he is so happy that he got to know the taco guy, because last week I took 7 hogs out of here and a couple of yotes, and I got a surprise tonight. But the hogs are gone. I mean, they got the message. This is not where they need to be. So if you're living near where the taco guy is and you have a hog problem and they're eating all your have you seen the price of feed lately? I mean, it's literally, corn has doubled. Thanks, Joe. Corn has doubled, and you know, some of these cattle ranchers are feeding high dollar stuff, and you got these coming in and they're pigging out. Get a hold of me, I come in, I take care of them, I drag them off, and I can even dump the dead pigs in front of your ex-wife's house if you want. Not that the thought ever occurred to me of doing that, but you know, I mean, I think it's illegal if you're caught. But anyway, got a great video coming up, and that's it. Taco, and thanks for watching my videos, all right? I do them because of my 1 million+ followers. Taco is out, and I'm all loaded up. As you can see, we got a long drive ahead. And let me see what my dog's doing. She's probably waiting for me to come and get her. Yeah, you ready to go? Best dog ever. Repeat, and Taco is out. Road runner, the coyote's after you. Road runner, if he catches you, you're through. Road runner, the coyote's after you. Road runner, if he catches you, you're through. Beep beep. Coyote's out. Okay, I was wrong. I didn't shoot him. He's actually a cool little coyote, very calm, very gentle, aren't you? Yeah, he's a good boy. Yeah, he's actually a good boy, aren't you? Yeah. Kind of young too. Yeah, good boy, good boy. Hey, he's playing possum. It was pretty fun, huh? Saving the farm, saving the ranch. Should we go get rid of him? Taco is out. Okay, so hang on. We got to go in retrieval mode. So I'm watching the reruns of Dallas, which was a real popular show from like 72 to like 85 or whatever. It was a great show. And Rebecca Wentworth just died, right? It's like season 5. And at the same time, you know, I got it on my TV, and my phone's my TV. And I'm watching this opossum eat all the corn that I spread. And next thing I know, he's gone. I mean, I've never seen an opossum move so quick. He's just sitting there and he's eating, and all of a sudden he just goes, and I go, I didn't bust him. I look over, big yote. So, let's go see what we got. And my buddy that owns this place said the yotes are coming in and eating his little calves. So, I had to scream at him to get him to stop. Where'd he go? Where is he? Hello? Oh, there he is. All right, calm down. Hey, buddy. You won't be eating anybody's calves here, that's for sure. Or opossums. Hang on. She's so excited. Hello? All right, hang on. Oh, he's bigger than you. Oh, yeah. Would you let me get out? Damn. And you'll see, I had to yell at him to get him to stop. No pigs, though. No pigs. Taco is having a great time in life. Taco is happy. Out.